Welcome guys, so today I'm with Vivo V23 and I want to show you a few camera tricks. Okay, I think that right now we can start from the volume buttons. They are located right here when you hold your phone in this position, and when you click once on the volume button, on the volume up or volume down, you can take photos. When you click and hold, you are going to take a series of the photo. When you click and hold your shutter, you will do the same. Yeah, so that's how it works when you talk about the volume buttons and the shutter button. That's two hidden options. I think that you don't know about that. We can also change the zoom by tapping right here, right? That's 2x, 1x and the ultra-wide lens. But when you tap on the selected preset, like for example the 2x right now, you will get this slider. And with this slider you can manually change the zoom. That goes very smooth. Okay, let's go for the standard 1x, and when we click on the screen once, we are able to adjust the brightness level by moving our finger like that. We can also decrease, and to make it automatically, just click on the screen once. What is interesting right here, that we can click on this place and go for the effects master, and take a look. When you drag like that in the screen, we are able to change exposure. Okay, let's turn it off. That's the exposure that we can adjust, like in the Pro mode. But when you drag like that, we can change the colors. That's cool. When you are about changing the color, we can also tap right here and apply few filters. If you want to take photo with this one, just click on the shutter once and the photo was taken, as you can see. Let me just go for the preview. That's the photo that we take. Okay, let's go back, and right now to turn them off, just go for the original. There it is. Okay, I think that right now we can reach the settings, so click right here, and when we are on the way to the settings, you can also enable camera timer between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Click on the shutter, and after 3 seconds photo is taken. Okay, let's go to the settings, and right here we can also find few interesting options, like for example we can go for the shutter and we can enable touch and voice shutter. So enable both options. We have to accept this stuff right here. So to take a photo by using our voice, we have to say cheese, and to use touch photography, we have to just click on the screen like that. So take a look. Let's use the touch. As you can see, we don't have to press the volume button or the shutter. That's how it works. Right now let's test the voice feature. Cheese. Okay, I'm gonna grab this phone a little bit closer to my mouth. Cheese. Okay, right now it detects my voice and the photo was taken. Next, we can go for the more modes when we can find high resolution mode. So let's take a look how it works, and let me just remove this delay on the shutter. Let's take photo, and then the same but with the normal mode. We can go for the comparison. So that's the normal mode. The photo looks very sharp. But what about this high resolution mode? Okay, I think that right now we can spot the huge difference. And the photo looks really good. Actually, I test like devices like Oppo Reno 7, Galaxy A33, Oppo Find X5 Pro, and this one looks really great. It's a very sharp photo, good looking. So to get more details, definitely use this higher resolution mode. And yeah, actually that's all for this Vivo V23. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.